Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 23 how to screenshot a tweet on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you are signed into the account, go to your profile and then click on any tweet you see. We have one tweet, click on it, and then to screenshot, Command-Shift-4, and then choose the section to be screenshotted. And now we have a screenshot saved to the desktop. Minimize Safari for the moment. And there we have the screenshot itself on the desktop. My first tweet posted to Computer Science Videos. Quick preview. Go back to Safari. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.